into the first installment of Cooking on Hot. Now we're making a tri-melt and cheese, a California tri-melt and cheese with avocado. So let's get it. So we got a USDA choice roast beef, a rotisserie seasoned chicken breast, as well as the Black Forest ham. So we're gonna take a nice slice of butter. We're gonna let that sit on the pan for a little bit. So we're gonna get our ham, our tri meat. We're gonna start with our first meat, the chicken, and we call it tri-melt and cheese because we're gonna have layers of cheese in between each of the three meats. Next, the roast beef. On top, the chicken. Cheese on top of the roast beef. But not least, we get our ham. Put it on top of the roast beef. And then add a layer of cheese. We're gonna let that sit there for a little bit while we toast our bagel. We're gonna toast our bagel. We're gonna let that sit in there for a little bit. Oh, I almost forgot our delicious bowl of veggies. See how our tri-melt is doing. And we'll get a nice flip on here so we can get let the other side have a little rub. Let's go check on our bagel. Oh! Look what we have here. There's not fucking bagels in the toaster anymore. What the fuck did you wear my bagels?
No, I don't know.
Let me get my bagels back, you little bitch. Cut.
There's only one magician in this house.
Where is the bagel?
Look, under the toast, dude.
It's under the toast? Next. Thanks, sous chef, bitch. We're gonna put on some cream cheese. Now you guys can smell the tri-melt. It's almost ready. We better be quick with this cream cheese, or else we might get in the whirlwind of trouble. The cream cheese is done. Our tri-melt is just about ready. Alright, this is definitely done. I'm gonna go ahead, plop it on my bagel like so. We can't let this cheese go to waste. We gotta come it off. Put that on top right there like so. That's the best part. And now it's time to layer our condiments. Alright, we got our 2-day-old avocado. You see it has a nice brown texture on it. You know it's right. Could you shut up, Tommy? We're gonna layer nice, clean wedges avocado on our tri-melt. So we got our nice avocado laid on there. Now, my bowl of carrots and my zucchini was somewhere, and I'm pretty sure Andrew ate it.
I think we ate all of it.
You ate my zucchini, didn't you?
I made zucchini.
You said you made zucchini. Well, you know, when in Rome, am I right? Well, you ate my fucking zucchini. You ate my zucchini, so you know, tri-melt cheese sans zucchini. The last important ingredient in our tri-melt cheese. Frank's Red Hot. Original homemade cayenne pepper sauce. Mother's recipe. And we're just gonna lather this motherfucker. And that, my friends, is the tri-melt and cheese. Cut. Yeah! This is fucking good! Alright.